My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are coming from the site sv.kicajig.cfd. Frankly speaking, the name of this website does not make any sense, but still periodically people may see these pop-ups in their browsers. Such pop-ups, by the way, are extremely dangerous. They try to mislead people and to make them download and install some unwanted browser extensions. For instance, this particular pop-up promotes this fav tab extension, which operates as a browser hijacker for Google Chrome. So we recommend you to be very careful not to tolerate those pop-ups and not to install anything that they suggest or promote, because as I said, such extensions may operate as browser hijackers. They may change a lot of crucial browser settings. If any unwanted extensions were added to your Google Chrome, you need to fix your browser and remove such extensions. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, download the software, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.